What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
How about we do a candy cane in this color? So we're going to take our 2.5-inch ribbon. So start with it at a diagonal. Tuck it under. And then wrap it back around so that you get a nice clean tip. And then you literally just start wrapping your frame. Now, I personally like to overlap them just a little bit. All right, now as you start going that curve, you have to change the direction of your wrapping just slightly. The most important thing is that you keep it nice and tight. All right, and then we're gonna just tuck it inside. Now, if you're gonna glue anything, glue that little tuck. See how this is sticking out? I go in there and add just a little bit of glue in there and get that nice and cleaned up. Y'all, now that our candy cane is nice and wrapped, let's make a little bow. All right, y'all, we're gonna do about a 12-inch tail. Y'all, we're gonna do about a 5.5. Y'all, I don't think I like this ribbon. Let's just do red. Let's just do red. All right, now look, you can't have a bow, a giant bow, you can't do it, y'all. You can't do it. The candy cane's not that big to be supporting a bow the size of Texas. I think the red bow is gonna work because the candy cane's so busy. All right, I like to put my bow in the curve. So I feel like with this solid red kind of muted bow, we're gonna go with just a little pine that is slightly frosted. Y'all, and we're just creating a little barrier between the bow and our candy cane. Y'all, now these are super cute if you had a little Christmas ornament to put right there in the center, but I don't, and I didn't get a Christmas ornament. So pretend like this little pine cone was a Christmas ornament. And y'all, so it's not the tiniest ornaments. It's the ones that are about, let's see, about 2 inches. And then you just glue that right in the center of the bow.